In this video, we will go over the trends I see in the kitchens I work in right here in Massachusetts. Are they trends, or are we creating classic New England kitchens? Come along and we will dive right into it. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me. We are located in Littleton, Massachusetts, a town rich with history and not far from historic Concord, Mass. I tend to think that our kitchens are unique to the area, and the design and aesthetic depends on the client we're designing for. In this video, I will go over a few of our kitchens that I recently completed and how they relate to the trends we see online. The number one trend that people talk about online is white kitchens. They're asking, are white kitchens out? I tend to think that they're not out, but that they will be taking a back seat for a little bit, as we will start to see more warm shades of white that take center stage. Warm beiges, warm whites, like the ones you see here. In addition to the warm whites, we will start to see lots of warm neutrals. We will also continue to see warm earthy colors like deep greens and dark blues continue to dominate the new kitchens. The two-tone kitchens, this is where we combine a white or a warm white with one of these colors like the greens, blues, and even wood tones to create a kitchen that's more custom. Natural light woods like white oak will continue to make a comeback, and I expect to incorporate more oak as islands, accent pieces, or countertops. But the reason oak doesn't make a full comeback to the kitchens that I remodel is because some of my clients that are reluctant to add oak to the new design, as the old kitchen cabinets that we're taking out and replacing, oftentimes they are oak. And I just feel like my clients don't want to do the same. They want something new, they want something fresh. And this is why in my area we see a lot of our clients using the painted cabinet look rather than bringing the oak, light oak cabinets with the whitewash or oak that you see in the national trends, because those are the cabinets that we are replacing. I expect to see the use of natural quartzites or marbles for countertops and backsplashes, as they offer beautiful and sometimes dramatic veinings that can't be duplicated by man-made products. I often think that kitchens look beautiful when using natural materials that age and acquire a patina. I am not a fan of surrounding my designs with carefree man-made materials that often feel cold and uninspiring. I also think that hoods over the cooking surface are going to continue to take center stage, whether they're made out of wood or they're made out of plaster. But hoods create a dramatic focal point for kitchens. I expect to see islands with soft curves and interesting materials like reed. And of course, we'll continue to use paneling. They will continue to be large, and multi-purpose, for using them for cooking, eating, and entertaining. I hope to see a lot of creative materials or architectural features being added to ceilings, as I think that we often forget that ceilings are another wall that can take center stage in the kitchen, whether applying color to it or adding beams or coffer the ceilings. I think ceilings can bring a lot of interest to a space. So, what did you think of the trends that I presented to you today? I started off with 7. Next week, I'm going to have 7 more trends. Do you agree? Do you disagree with me that these trends are unique to Massachusetts, or do you see them in your own place? By the way, if you are looking to remodel your kitchen, by all means, please contact us as we design and remodel these magnificent kitchens right here in Massachusetts. All the kitchens that you see in the video are all created by us and for our clients, so we can create something unique for you as well. And come again next week, as I will have part 2 of the trends video that I'm creating as we close off 2025. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens, signing off for now. Bye-bye.
This is as good a day as any.